Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is courage. It's time to stand up and be the king, the queen, the Raj, the emperor, that person of power to lead your people. You've had time to rest. Now you have recharged. You have your second breath. Now it's time to get back into the field. Get back and lead your people into war and conquer. Make sure that you tend to your land, provide for your people. You have the energy, you have the intellect. Now it's time to have the courage to believe in yourself. I'm stronger than any fear and bigger than any doubt. I am the light and I remain light. I trust in God and stand tall before the tests of life, and I grow and become wiser through every challenge. When you become stronger and wiser, that means you can maintain bigger blessings. That means bigger land, bigger things are coming your way that you've been asking for, and you can maintain them. They'll feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain, rain, sleet, or snow. I am a being of new life. You're a new ruler. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.